Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on beauty products with Ulta easy tutorial step by start by signing up for the Ulta Rewards program. Download the Ulta app for easy access to deals and promotions. Check the app or website for current sales and offers. Create a shopping list of products you need or want. Look for buy one, get one free promotions. Use coupon codes available online for additional savings. Consider purchasing items during major sales events, such as Black Friday or the annual 21 Days of Beauty sale. Take advantage of your birthday gift rewards during your birthday month. Use your points toward future purchases to save even more. Keep an eye out for clearance sections in-store and online. Review your email for exclusive promotions and personalized discounts. Stack offers by using manufacturer coupons alongside store promotions. Visit the store during the first week of each month to explore new arrivals and sales. Always check your local store for discrepancies in pricing between online and in-person. Plan your shopping around Ulta's weekly circular ads for the best deals. Be aware of the seasonal sales for your favorite brands. Remember, investing in high-quality products during sales can save you money in the long run. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your beauty product expenses at Ulta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.